In this video, I'll show you how to use direct payments in TravelJoy, a handy feature for travel professionals who want to easily collect payments from clients without leaving the platform. First, log in to your TravelJoy account through the website or app. Once you're in, go to the specific trip or client profile you want to process a payment for. Click on the Payments tab, and you'll see an option that says Collect Payment or Send Payment Link. Select Direct Payment if that's the option you want to use. You'll be asked to enter the amount you'd like to collect, along with any notes or a due date. Then choose which payment method you accept: credit card, bank transfer, or other options linked to your account. Once you hit Send, your client will receive a secure payment link via email or SMS. They can click it and pay directly using their preferred method. As soon as the payment goes through, you'll see the status update in real time inside TravelJoy, so you always know when the money comes in. Before using direct payments, make sure your payment processor, like Stripe, is properly connected in your settings. And that's it. It's a simple and fast way to manage client payments all within TravelJoy. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more TravelJoy tips and travel business tools. See you next time.